Belief in the prophets. 3. Belief in all the prophets is fundamental to Islam. In lexical terms, a prophet is one who brings messages. In religious terminology, however, a prophet is any of the select individuals whom Allah the Almighty has appointed to convey His religion to His servants. These individuals are messengers of the Exalted Allah. Their status as Allah's prophets is established by the noble qualities in their personalities and the miracles granted to them by Allah. 3.1. Miracle are extraordinary things that others cannot achieve. To confirm that a prophet is a true prophet, Allah reveals that miracle through the prophet's hands. 3.2. Miracle. Certain, extraordinary deeds. They are brought about by the power of the Almighty Allah through His righteous servants. These miracles are also considered miracles for the prophet, to whom those righteous servants are connected. Because if that prophet were not a true prophet, such miracles could not emerge from those who are connected to him. 3.3. MEUNET-İSTIDRAÇ. These are extraordinary events that occur among certain ordinary people who do not claim prophethood and do not follow the prophet's sunnah, do not indicate the greatness of that person, and never reach the level of miracles or miraculous deeds. However, those who falsely claim prophethood cannot perform miracles, nor any other extraordinary deeds. The things that such liars present as miracles or wonders are either sleight of hand or works of art based on certain scientific principles. Their true intentions are immediately revealed. Others can create something even more beautiful than what they have done. How those who falsely claim prophethood end up, and how their lies are exposed, is clear in history. 3.4. A prophet is also called a Nebi. He is also called a RESUL. However, the one who was sent to a nation with a new book in Sharia is called a RESUL, while the prophet who came in accordance with the Sharia of another prophet is called a Neb. He is not called a RESUL or Mursel. The plural of the name Nebi is Enbiya. The plural of Rasul is Rusul. The plural of Mursel is Murselin. 35. The first prophet of the Almighty Allah is Hazrat Adam Aleyhisselam. The last and greatest prophet is our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Since he is the last prophet, our prophet is referred to as Hatemu'l-Enbiya, the seal of the prophets. Between these two prophets, there have been many prophets whose numbers are known only to Allah. In the Quran, only the names of the following 25 prophets are mentioned: Adam, Idris, Noah, HUD, Salih, Ibrahim, Lot, Ismail, ISHAK, YAKUB, YUSUF, EYYUB, SHUAYB, MUSA, Harun, David, Solomon, Elijah, Elisha, Zulkifl, Jonah, Zechariah, John the Baptist, Jesus, Muhammad, peace be upon him. In addition to these, there are 3 other individuals mentioned by name in the Holy Quran: Uzair, Lokman, and Zulkarnain. Whether these individuals were prophets or saints is a matter of dispute. There is no doubt that these individuals were also very great people. Information about these respective prophets will be provided in the 10th chapter of our book. 36. Prophets possess all kinds of beautiful attributes. Each of them is an example of maturity and superiority. In particular, they possess the qualities of truthfulness, trustworthiness, insight, and understanding, being protected from sin and conveying the Sharia. For example, 1. Prophets are truthful. They speak the truth in all matters. No lies ever come from them. 2. Prophets are trustworthy. They are entirely reliable, both in matters of prophecy and in other matters. There is never any treachery in them. 3. Prophets possess a very high level of understanding, complete reason, a strong vision, and superior intelligence. It is unimaginable that they will be lacking in awareness, high emotions, or concepts. 4. Prophets are innocent. They are completely free from all kinds of sin, both hidden and open, and from all kinds of dishonorable and vulgar acts. They are pure and chaste. 5. Prophets have the characteristic of being messengers. They convey the Sharia laws they are commanded to convey to their communities as they err. It is unthinkable that they would hide or forget any of the Sharia laws. Such a thing is unbecoming of the dignity of prophethood. Such an attitude is inconsistent with the wisdom for which they were sent as prophets and with the will of Allah. Conclusion: all prophets possessed all five the characteristics we have mentioned, because those who do not possess these great characteristics cannot enlighten people and lead them. It is essential for the health of our faith to recognize and confirm all prophets in this way. 37. When we consider that prophets were appointed by Almighty Allah to guide people and correct their bad ways, the necessity and importance of believing in them becomes clear. The truth is that believing in the prophets, knowing and affirming their noble character and qualities, and showing them the utmost respect is an absolute duty for us. A person who does not believe in the prophets is considered not to have believed in the Almighty Allah either, because it is only the prophets who have informed humanity of the way to believe in the Almighty Allah in a manner that pleases Him. Those who wish to follow their own worthless minds cannot attain the truth and the pleasure of Allah, but remain in error. They also act contrary to the commands of the Almighty Allah regarding belief in the prophets. In this regard, they remain deprived of guidance. Indeed, failing to believe in even one of the prophets is like denying them all. Such a belief makes one unbelieving, especially since Allah the Exalted as greatest prophet and the last of the prophets, Muhammad, peace be upon him, is as clear as day and is known to the human world. Today, no nation can be excused for its ignorance regarding religion. The most important duty of every nation today is to accept the religion of this great prophet, to follow the right path he has shown and to achieve salvation. If this duty is fully fulfilled, humanity will be saved from worldly disasters and the torments of the afterlife. It will achieve true civilization and the endless happiness of the afterlife.